Do you know that over 200 million people are now creating content all over the world? But the crazy part of it is that only small fraction actually earn a lot of money doing it. But let me ask you something. What if your hobby, I mean what you like doing or what you do for fun, could start paying you immediately, not next year, not in the next 10 years, but today? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn your passion into profit by creating content online. Whether you love cooking or fitness, gaming, fashion, or even teaching, or just sharing your life story online, there are real ways for you to make money doing what you love doing in this year 2025. So we're going to be exploring the best platform you are going to use, the smart monetization methods, and even look into real life story of one of my friends. I'm going to be sharing with you her story with her consent. So if you're ready to get paid for your passion, stick around. So let's just be honest. Getting started is one of the hardest parts of content creation. That decision for you to say, yes, I'm finally ready to start my content creation journey. It is one of the hardest part of it because it comes with mixed feelings sometimes. Some people will keep asking themselves questions. They'll be like, will anybody watch my video? Are they going to watch my video? Are they going to be interested in what I am talking about? Another thing is lack of knowledge. Some of us will keep asking ourselves, where do I even start? How do I even start? What do I talk about? All those stuff. Then some people also overthink. You will be thinking that, hey, I don't have a fancy camera, I don't have a microphone, I don't have ring light, I don't have a tripod stand, I don't have this, I don't have that. Thereby, most people think you need to go viral or have thousands of followers before you can earn anything from YouTube. But that's not true. In fact, many small creators are making steady income with just few hundred royal fans or followers. The real challenge here is knowing how to turn views into value, knowing how to hook your audience, knowing how to feed them and when to feed them with whatever they need to get from you. That is a real challenge now, and that's exactly what we are going to be breaking down in this video, right? So here are the 4 smart ways you can monetize your content and turn your passion into profit. Number 1 of them is through affiliate marketing. Yes, this is one of the easiest way to earn money online. All you need to do is to promote products you already have, like books, tools, clothes, or even gear. And when someone buys through your unique link, you earn your own commission. It is perfect for YouTubers or even bloggers or even Instagram creators. For example, you're creating content and you're using Canva Pro. You can advertise your Canva when you're making your videos, then direct your audience to the description box where you have already placed the link to whatever your affiliate to, you're selling your product. Then when they click that link and buys your product, you get your pay, you get your own. So the second method now is through sponsorship or brand deals. Brands will pay you to promote their products for them, no matter how small your channel is. As long as your audience is engaged and matches their ideal customers, they will always come for you, right? So start reaching out to small brands. If they don't pinch you, pinch them. If they don't come for you, go for them. You can use platforms like Brands Connect or even Aspire to reach out to them, or you search them up on Google, on social media platform, send them message. They will get back to you if they need your services. With that, you get sponsorship deals or even brand deals, right? So the third one now is by selling merch or digital products. So if you have your own personal brand that you're running, you can as well customize some product like t-shirts, mugs, or even handbags, like tote bags, all those stuff. You can customize them and sell as your own. Or if you have knowledge to share, you can write a digital book. You can make a digital product like ebook, guides, or even templates. Yes, a graphic designer can sell Instagram templates. So it's easier for you to create any digital product. We have AI tools that will help you to create your own digital product and sell them. You don't owe anybody. You are not working for anybody. They are just your own products. You write and sell for yourself. So it's just simple. So the fourth one now is online courses or membership. So if you're great at teaching other people or you have specific skill, all you need to do is to build an online courses or create a private membership group where you teach people. As you render your service, they will pay for those services you're rendering to them. So you can sell those stuff on platform like Teachable or Gumroad, right? So you have to teach what you know, not what you think that is trending at that moment. You have to teach what you know. So let me now tell you a story about my friend Choma. Choma, she's my friend. She's a YouTuber. She stays in UK and she's a full-time nurse, but she do content creation during her free time. She also bake, and mostly what she posts on her YouTube channel is about her baking. When she started, she was, in fact, I was even the one that gingered her, since she knows how to bake, she should start posting them online, because that was not what she was posting before. So when she started filming. At first she complained that she doesn't have enough good camera for, and even tripod, and a lot of complaint. But I encouraged her. She bought some. She did without some. She used to use something to hold the camera and start filming that time. So along the line, the thing was moving for her. She will bake and supply to some people around her there, most especially all these our African shop. She will supply to most of them. So when she started posting all those things online, at times she will have 0 views. She will not have enough views, but she kept posting at least. She kept showing up at least once a week, and all the comments people are dropping on her comment section, she makes sure she replies all the comments, right? So because once you're getting you're closer to your audience, you reply their comment, they will feel relaxed, right? They will have that zeal to come back tomorrow and drop comments, knowing fully whether you also reply them or you always reply. So that was how she built her small community. So as time goes on, she started adding affiliate link to some of the equipment she's using to her videos, and she was selling. Then one day she now created a $9 recipe book, one book like that. She just wrote all the recipe, all the things she's doing. She just wrote the recipe, and she was selling it for $9. Then she used to post it on her YouTube shop. I also encourage her to open Amazon shop where she will be selling it, Amazon KDP or whatever. Yes, so she was posting there too. She was posting here. That was how she had how many streams of income. Now she was selling here, she was selling here, she was selling her physical the snacks she was producing, cakes and chin and all those stuff. She was selling those ones, and she's also a full-time nurse. But one thing shocked me, right? Even she started getting sponsorship deals, because one thing I like about her is that she's a go-getter. That thing that she wants to achieve, she must surely achieve it. Nothing will ever stop her, and she's just like me. That thing I just set my eyes on, I must get it unless I'm not ready, right? So that was how she continued. Fast forward to 1 year later, she now called me that she want to quit her job. I was like, what? Is that how much what you're doing is earning for you? As in, you want to quit your job for what? You know what it means for you to be a nurse in the UK or overseas? So along the line, that was how she quit her job and concentrated on baking and content creation and all that. She said it's making her much more money than her 9-to-5 job, because that one doesn't even give her enough time. At the end of the day, it's stressing her a lot. It doesn't give her enough time for her to do other things that she wants to do. And when she compared the income, the stress that comes with this one and this one, she's just at home doing her own thing by herself. She doesn't have that this thing to owe anybody, sir or ma, that is to be answerable to other people. So that was how she just quit her job. So I think her own story is encouraging. It encouraged me too, because I like people that are always the people that knows what they want. we have talked about many things. Number one, we have talked about the real struggles creators face. Another one, we have talked about the 4 powerful ways to make money from your passion, and also the real life example of my friend Choma, how she passed through, or how she navigated her nursing job with content creation and other stuff that she included, and how she was able to quit her job for what she loved doing, right? So if you're serious about turning your hobby into income, this is a sign for you to start. Don't wait for tomorrow, don't procrastinate. So now I want to hear from you. What passion would you love to get paid for? Just tell me in the comment section, because I would want to know, or give my 10 kobo or 10 cent advice if need be. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. If today is the first day you're coming across the channel, do well to subscribe. I remain your girl Calista, and in this channel we talk about YouTube growth, YouTube monetization, and making money online. So see you guys in my next one. Bye. Peace out.